Hi friends! Happy Monday! Today is April 20th, 2020. Welcome to week 2 of digital learning. Friends, you did a great job turning in all of your assignments last week, and I want you to know that when you turn in your work, it brings my teacher heart so much joy. I love seeing what you're learning and hearing what you're up to. So keep turning in your assignments. Good work. All right, in reading today, you will notice that our first slide is our lines of print page. You are going to read these sounds and words out loud. Today's words have prefixes. Prefixes come before a word. We are going to be working with 4 prefixes this week. The prefix re, which means again, pre, which means before, un, and dis. And these both mean not. Okay, let's do these together. Ready? Prefix. Good. Say it out loud. Prefix. Good. Keep going. Nice. Last one. Ready? Good. Okay, the reading strategy I want you to use with prefix words is to put the base word in your brain first. Then add the prefix right in your brain and read the whole word. Ready? Let's do it. Safe. Unsafe. Good. You're going to read this whole word out loud when I slide my finger under the word. Ready? Go. Good. Repack. Okay, I want to hear you this time. Do the next one. Ready? Good. Untie. Okay, let's skip down to this word. Ready? Good. Dislike. Let's work on a fluency sentence together for our warm-up. Ready? Let's read. I was unable to retrace my steps. Let's read it fluently. Ready? Read. I was unable to retrace my steps. Friends, you're doing a great job. Okay, lines of print page is first. Just read those sounds and words out loud. Then our fictional story for today is In the Small, Small Pond. My boys love this story. I hope you do too. The nonfiction story is Life in a Pond. Please listen carefully to this story, take some mental notes, and maybe even some notes on a piece of paper, because you're going to be writing about ponds today. So you're going to want to look back and think of all the information you learned from this text. After you've read your 2 stories, please type in your reading journal. You are going to write something that you noticed about the 2 books, a question that you still wonder about, and a connection that you've made. Text-to-self connection, text-to-text, or a text-to-world connection. After you've typed those 3 sentences in, please read to yourself for 20 minutes. A book from home or log on to Epic. Our newest slide is the Imagine Learning section. I sent your families an email about this. You need to log on to Imagine Learning for 30 minutes. Please do that at home, and I will be checking your Imagine Learning games to see what you're working on and what you might need some extra help with. I expect you to be logging in to Imagine Learning for about 30 minutes at home, just like what we did in reading at school. After Imagine Learning, it's time for writing. You are going to write an informational piece. That means a piece that tells real facts and information about ponds. I included a topic sentence, a conclusion sentence, and 3 sentence starters for your details. You can use those in your writing, or you can write your own. It's up to you. I want you to type your paper right below the assignment box. Just type right in the slide. I can't wait to read your story about ponds. After writing, our math assignment today is to design buttons. You're going to be a button designer today. There is a list of shapes. You need to pick 2 shapes. I picked triangles and quadrilaterals. You can pick whichever 2 you want that are listed. You are going to design 5 buttons with those 2 shapes. So see how I designed 5 triangle buttons that were different? And then I took my quadrilaterals and I designed 5 different quadrilateral buttons. You can upload a picture of your buttons or just share them with a family member at home. You do not have to upload a picture. Happy learning, friends!